So we're going to ask these rural women how much they are making per bath of this Gari. So stay tuned now. So this is their means of livelihood in this rural community. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jojo Vanet. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys through the process of how Gari is being made in this rural community. So for those of you who have been eating Gari and you don't know how it's made from the start to finish, stay tuned and watch this video till the end and see the process, learn about the process. The first step is to start peeling the cassava. After peeling, then the washing takes place. Then they will take the cassava to the grinding machine. Here you have to cut the cassava tuber into medium size by knife. This will increase the speed, which saves time and labor. After crushing, they get the cassava mesh here. Guys, life in the village is so simple. I'm still having the best time here in the village with lovely weather we have here, and it rains almost every day. Look at me, and it's so relaxing here in the village. Guys, let's have a chat on the comment section. Let me know what it looks like in your village. This is my origin, guys. I'm showcasing it to the world. After grinding, then they'll transfer it into a bag for fermentation at least 2 days. This is the process Gari passed through before it become that. These rural women mostly do everything manually here in this village. Cassava. And the Gari pressing process has officially begun here. So they're doing all this thing to drain the water out of it before they will fry the flour. This is the procedure how they drain the water out of the grounded cassava. And the bag is placed on a wooden board. Another wood is placed on it to mount pressure on the bag of Gari. I was told this process takes about 30 minutes. It depends on the amount of pressure you apply on it. As you can see, the water have started draining out. So with this heavy weight on it, it will help to drain out the water. These women are so hard working. Guys, can you see the amount of water that is coming out of it? And this process is simply uses self-weight pressure with the help of heavy wood to mount pressure on it. They use this to suppress the gari so the water can be draining out of it. This is the wooden sieve they use to sieve the gari. So all I have to do is just be going around it like this. Be going around it until we get this the powder form. This is a powder form of it, so this is the one we're going to be frying to get the main gari itself. So this is the shaft. So these shafts you see here is still useful. You can use it for amala, you can use it for oka, you can use it for fufu. By the time it gets dry, you grind it into powder. Oh my hands are paining me already. These women are trying, man. This is the powder form of it. They're going to fry it now. And we're going to transfer gari powder into the pots and then you start frying. We use broom to stir it in the village. Most people use this stainless turner, but here in the village we use broom to stir it. Oh man, this is a whole lot of work. Ooh, this is how they add the gari powder into the pot. This pot is called ababa. Ababa in my language. There, guys. The steaming coming out of this gari with the heavy fire is not a joke, man, to make money. Can you see the heavy fire? This is what these women deal with on their daily basis just to make ends meet. These women go through a lot from making this gari. The steaming from the gari is something else. I can't stand it, guys. I won't lie to you. They're trying. The heat too much. Oh, see the steam now. So this is their means of livelihood in this rural community. Ooh! Ooh! Fire! Mama. The cost of this bath like this is 16,000. So before, how much they sell? 4,500. So before it used to be 4,500 naira, but right now that is like ×3 of what they used to sell. 16,000 naira. Wow, things have really gone up in the market. This is the final stage. It's done now. The final stage. From here, it will be packaged into this kind of rubber. They call it bag. Then take it to the market for sale. Anyway, oh, this is the final stage. This is the final stage. The package is for market from tomorrow. Gari is ready, and it will be taken to the market from tomorrow for sale. Final stage of Gari. It's ready to be eaten. Okay.